Hey guys, I'm back and I know it's been a long time, but don't be mad at me because we had a lot of things going on in our family, like we had to move and stuff. So we had a lot of things going on, but we're posting again. Yay! So today I'm gonna start off the new streak with something special. You know how we usually cook and make stuff? Well, today we are going to actually review something that is actually made. And that thing that we're reviewing is hot dogs. It isn't actual hot dogs, if I do say so myself. They're like Korean hot dogs, Korean corn dogs with a stick that corn dogs have. Anyway, this is a really hot and popular food in Korea. Like literally, if you go to Korea, you will see people lining up for 30 minutes or an hour to wait for this. And it's so popular that it's in America now. So now you can get it at your local H Mart or Korean market. This is like an instant food, so you don't have to like actually like bread it and like put in the cheese and everything. You just prepare it like in a microwave or like a frying pan. But honestly, it says on the instructions, if you want to get like a more 90% kind of accuracy, because the frying pan and the microwave aren't that accurate, but the air fryer is about 90% accurate. So today I'm gonna use that air fryer. There are instructions on the back and I'm gonna follow them right now. Also, I forgot to mention this, but the brand doesn't matter, okay? Just go to your local Korean market and be like, hey, are there any instant hot dogs here? And they're like, yeah. And they'll give you something like this with a hot dog picture on the front. And then if you can't read Korean, that's sad, but it's probably gonna have it in English on the back. So this one is one of my favorite flavors, not like ice cream flavors, but like it has toppings and stuff. So it's like a regular corn dog on the outside, but it got sliced French fries on the outside and it's really good. And then on the inside, it has melted mozzarella cheese and it just like stretches once you take a bite out of it and it's so warm and gooey. And then at the bottom part where the stick is, we have some fish cake. If you don't like fish cake, you can get another one. But usually there's something like a sausage, or if you don't like meat at all, you can just get all cheese. But I like it with some meat in it. Okay, we have our air fryer right here. Take this out. Now we're gonna take the hot dogs out. I'm gonna make some for my sister, my mom and dad, and me, of course, don't forget me. So I'm gonna do all 4 of these. So let's open it. Okay. And on the inside, they come in these little packages like this. So like if you're gonna eat one, but you don't wanna eat the other 3, you can just like put the rest in the freezer and then you can just take out one. Look how cute these packagings are. Just look at them. They're like little candy packages. Okay, we're gonna do all 4, so time to open some wrapping. Woo, it smells like French fries already. Okay, open it by the bottom part. I'm gonna do it like this so it fits all 4. 1. This is the 3rd one. I'm putting them like zigzags so I can grab the handles without burning myself. Oh, I think there might be enough space for the last one. And 2. Last one going in. It fits! Yes! Okay, I'm gonna put these in the trash. Okay, I'm gonna put this in now. Turn it on, that's 370. We're gonna put this down to 10 minutes and start. Okay, so like you could possibly do like the whole 10 minutes without stopping, but honestly, it's gonna get like mushy on the bottom side. So what I like to do is I take it out in like the midway, like 5 minutes and 5 or 4 minutes. And then I like to flip them and then put them back in so they don't like burn or like get mushy or anything. So I'll see you in like 5 minutes. Woo! I'm gonna carry this out this way so I can close it again. And I'm just gonna flip this one like this. Okay, now I'm gonna just put them back in for the rest of 5 minutes. Goodbye. goodbye. See you in the next 5 minutes. Just look at that. It smells really good right now. Ooh. Look. It's like perfectly done on all sides. And you see that little pocket? That's because the cheese is melting. Here's one. Place it fancy like this. That's Ari's because it's second biggest. The biggest is for my dad. This is for me. Like that. And then there's one thing that you can never miss in hot dogs and corn dogs. The sauces. I'm gonna place it like this. I can put this back in the air fryer so it stays warm. Okay, so ta-da! It looks really, really good. This one is done. This one. Oh, it farted at the end a little bit there. Time for the mustard. I don't think Ari likes mustard, so I'll add a little bit more to hers. Oh, that squirted out real fast. Is it coming? Oops, I got a bit on the cap. Okay, it looks so good right now. Look, just look at it. I'm gonna hold it up and then you guys can see it, okay? Just look at that, it looks amazing. Like the ones at the street shops. I'm just gonna put this down now because like it might fall down if I hold it too long. Ari! Okay, Ari, here's yours. Okay, ready? It's a bit hot though. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
That's good.
The French fries are really crunchy.
I like to take them off and eat them as French fries.
Okay, put it down. Put it down. You're gonna eat it all in 5 seconds. Okay. Honestly, this is like an honest 4 for me because it cools down too fast, but it's really, really, really good. What about you, Ari?
I like 5 because it's good, but another thing I would like if the cheese was stretchier.
It's because it cooled down too fast. But overall, it's really good. I think I would buy this again for sure. Like it's like a very good size for a good lunch, and now she's showing off her cheese, and it's very good and easy to make. So I would buy this again. What about you? She's just busy eating now. So make sure you buy this, and if you see this at another Korean market, just get it, okay? Just get it. No arguing, no arguments, okay? When you go to a Korean market, you know you see like so many things that you don't know. Like, so right now our goal is to show people what's good or not and explain what it is. So when you go to Korean markets or any kind of market, honestly, you can tell what this thing is and this thing is. So right now, this hot dog, buy it now. Like right now, order it online, just buy it, okay? This is honestly very delicious. So I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.